What's the meaning of acrobatically? Acrobatically. 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 The term acrobatically is an adverb used to describe movements or actions that require skill, flexibility and agility, typically associated with the performance art of acrobatics or gymnastics. It can also refer to difficult movements executed with grace and precision in other contexts. When describing a result achieved acrobatically, it suggests that the outcome was not only successful, but achieved through impressive feats of skill and dexterity. It implies that the individual or team responsible for the accomplishment went above and beyond what was required to achieve the desired result. In short, a result achieved acrobatically is one that is not only satisfying, but awe-inspiring.